Alright, here's my noisy cricket breadboard amp. The speaker cabinet I got for 99 cents from a thrift store, and a few of my capacitors I pulled out of a old alarm clock and the radio. A lot of the other stuff I got from Small Bear Electronics. The plans came from Beavis Audio Research. You can check out their website. It's pretty simple to follow. This is the first project I've done, and it came out pretty good. Just going to play a little bit through it so you can hear how it sounds. This has got a grit switch to it. That's on right now. You can hear it get a little dirty. Right now I'm playing through a carbon bolt kit guitar with coil taps. It's got 3 humbuckers. Right now they're all set to single coils. But sounds pretty good. I'm using a kind of a bass mod version of it. This capacitor here is the regular version they have is 47 nanofarads. I think this is 1 nanofarad, something like that. That's the power switch, and over here is the grit switch. Turn that off. Just gives a little bit cleaner sound. And I'll flip it back on. You can hear the contrast. So, anyways, it's a pretty easy build. Just powers with a 9-volt battery, or here you just use a regular 9-volt power supply, like a 1-spot that you use to power your pedals, volume, tone, and grit. Pots there. It was pretty simple and sounds really good. I've played little practice amps that sound much worse. I think the next step will be to box it up. I got a cigar box I'm going to put it in, and solder it, all the pieces to a board. And maybe I'll post an update with that when I get it done. Thanks for watching.